Why is that there?
Public warning system. During potentially dangerous situations, special bill receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of impending hazard. Tests of the system and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday.
Oh wait, PJ.
Severe weather. The test
Hi,
will
PJ.
be postponed to the next available good weather day.
It's a neighborhood cat. It's not mine, but there it is.
More noticeable in Hamilton.
Oh, it's in Hamilton. Okay, I heard the EOM.
Today, the 70s. Temperatures are expected to cross the area today and for the rest of the work week.
Alright, so Kerrville will count. PJ. Come back, PJ. We got a little surprise visitor. You don't live with us, but yes, PJ. You're gonna be famous. Yeah, she always sneaks around with my cat, Junior. So, hey, you want me to pet you? Oh, but that's Junior's food. Okay, I'll feed you. Because I love helping animals. Okay. Bye, PJ. What a bad dog you are, Luna Hubbard. Well, I don't know why I call you Hubbard, but you never get out. I've never seen you with this kind of behavior. Oh, there it is. Perfect timing. Right as I was jokingly filming you. Hey, stay over here.
This is a test of the NWR radio warning device. The proceeding still is the test of the weather radio public warning system. During potentially dangerous situations, specially built receivers can be automatic.
Oh, really? There it is.
Warning service possible. The warning alarm will be activated. Watches and
Oh, there's the EOM.
mostly sunny 50.
Come on. Let's go inside. Come on. Well, that will do it, and hopefully I'll get KV's test if we just happen to be home at that time. What happened? Come here. That's the cat's food. PJ already ate. I fed her after the test. Come on. Damn dog. Okay, they're going. They're not going. Oh, come on.
Give me a guess. The sheriff?
Need a new roof? Call J-Con at 5. All the fives. You guys remember these, right?
Yeah. Potato sack.
The potato sacks that you earned, but they're not potato sacks anymore.
Okay, let's just scroll again.
They're called potato sacks. You know, jokes and laughter might just end in potato sack-shaped tears. Brock and Nicole did way better than I thought they would in the potato sack race, so I'm actually only going to give them 8 bags instead of 10. I just feel like 8 is more realistic in the tiny house.
Live life comes.